This faceless channel generates millions of views and earns approximately $1,000 per video by producing incredibly simple YouTube and TikTok shorts. They rely on AI tools to create these videos, which have attracted a massive audience that loves their content. Many of their videos reach millions of views. And in this video, we'll show you how to use 3 AI tools and CapCut to create similar videos for free and in no time. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll feel ready to start your own faceless channel. Our competition achieves millions of views with simple concepts, where animals transform into different entities like countries as warriors, Spider-Man versions of countries, or countries as mythical creatures, all made using AI. To replicate this, the first tool we'll need is ChatGPT. With a pre-configured prompt, ChatGPT will generate exactly what we need: a table containing the topic, country, and an image generation prompt. I'll explain each part in detail. The number of prompts. The topic, e.g., countries as animal warriors. Desired format, language, tone, and examples. When you input this prompt into ChatGPT, it organizes the results into a neat table. The first column contains the topic, the second lists the countries, and the third provides the prompt for generating images. Next, we use Leonardo AI to create these images. After opening Leonardo AI, click on Image Creation and switch to Legacy mode in the top right corner. Set the model to Leonardo Diffusion XL and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:6. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. Repeat this process for each country's prompt to get all your images. Then you can also request new topics in ChatGPT, such as countries as mystical creatures, for endless creative ideas. Once you've generated your images, download the best ones and head to Pixabay to find royalty-free country flags to avoid copyright issues. To transform the still images into a video, use Kling AI Register for a free account. Then use the Image to Video tool to create videos from your images. However, to make the content ready for platforms like YouTube or TikTok, you'll need to merge everything in CapCut. Import your videos and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Add transitions, such as floodlight, between, and sound effects from Pixabay to make the video more engaging. For example, use a track like Epic Hip Hop and add sound effects such as Monster Roar. After completing these steps, download your video and see the results for yourself and sound effects from Pixabay to make the video more engaging. For example, use a track like Epic Hip Hop and add sound effects such as Monster Roar. After completing these steps, download your video and see the results for yourself.